Welcome students. In my last video I was telling you we were discussing the chapter Diary of Annie Frank, and I told you that Annie used to talk too much in her class and she was given an essay as punishment to talk in the class, and she wrote and she gave so many arguments. And first was the argument was that talking is a student's trait and still she would try to do her best to keep it under control. But she wrote this also, that she would never be able to cure herself of the habit because her mother also talked as much as she talked, if not more. Okay, and that there not much you can do our inherited traits. Okay, she cannot do anything for the quality she had inherited from her mother. Mr. Kissing had a good laugh when Mr. Kissing read this. He laughed at the arguments, and then again when she started talking during his class, then again he gave her extra homework, and it was another essay, and this time the topic was an incorrigible chatterbox. Okay, an incorrigible chatterbox. And when Annie handed it in, Mr. Kissing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. Okay, when Annie gave this topic to Mr. Kissing for 2 lessons, he had no complaint because she was not talking in her class. But again in next day when she started talking, Mr. Kissing again get annoyed, and he said, Annie Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay. And title of the essay was Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. All the class laughed. When other students were laughing, Annie also laughed, although she was disturbed because she had written on this topic 2 essays and she had completed all her knowledge, she had finished all her knowledge about this topic. What she could do? Chatterboxes, how much she can write about chatterbox. And now she had come with an idea. And she said it was time to come up with something else. Okay, she wanted to do something else, something original. Annie was having one friend, Sani, who was good at poetry. Means she could make poems. She could compose poem, and that girl offered her help to write the essay from beginning to end in verse. And it was a happy moment for Annie. She jumped for joy. Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on her, she thinks, and he was giving this ridiculous subject again and again, but now she wanted to make the joke about him. And they, both of the girls, Annie and her friend, they finished the poem. And the poem was about a mother duck, a father swan, and their 3 baby ducklings. Okay, the babies of duck are called ducklings. And the poem was about these persons, these birds, mother duck, father swan, and 3 babies. and these babies were beaten to death by their father because they quacked so much. Okay, because the baby used to quacked so much, and that's why their father beaten them to death. Means they were dead because their father bite them. Luckily, Mr. Keesing understood the joke and he took it the right way. And then he read the poem to the class, okay, to Annie's class. He added his own comments also, okay. He added some his own views with this poem, and he read this poem in many other classes also. After that, Annie was allowed to talk in her class, and she was not given an extra homework also. And on the contrary, Mr. Keesing was also having fun with their class. I hope you have understood the chapter, and now it's okay, over.